For this week, you guys are going to be learning about macros. And once you go through the textbook chapter, and I would highly recommend going through that because most students find macros to be one of the more difficult topics in Excel. Make sure you go through the textbook chapter and download the interactive files so you can practice. You can then move on to the discussion. And after you do your discussion posting, you will complete the training and the test exercises, followed by the quiz. And then if you would like more practice with macros, you can do the Excel project, which is worth an additional 5 points. And again, a lot of people find macros to be more difficult, so please go through the textbook chapter because I think it will make the training and the testing exercises much easier. And if you run into any problems or have questions, please let me know.